So you lost your Steam account and can't remember the email or phone number linked to it. Don't panic, because you're watching GetAssist Himanshu here, and today I'll guide you step by step how you can recover your Steam account without even using your older email and your phone number. So let's get started. So step number 1 is don't use your Steam app. Instead, open up your web browser and search for Steam login. Click on the official Steam login page. Now go to support, scroll down and click on help I can't sign in. Then choose I forgot my Steam account name or password. Now here's a little trick. Type in any random email address just to test it. For example, something like hello I am here @gmail.com. Then complete the CAPTCHA and hit search. Steam will return an error saying it couldn't find an account. That's fine. That's exactly what we want. Now, instead of email, type in your Steam account name. Again, complete the CAPTCHA and hit search. At this point, Steam may ask you for verification with your old email or phone number. Since you don't have those, select the second option, which lets you prove ownership of your account with the help of Steam support. This will take you to a page where you can enter your current email address, one that you actually have access to right now. From here, Steam will ask you for details to confirm your real owner. The more accurate information you provide, the better your chances will be to getting your account back. Once you have completed everything out and provided all the information, again complete the CAPTCHA and hit the send button. Now Steam will contact you at your current email address, and from there just follow the instructions and you will get your Steam account back. And that's all in this video. Losing your Steam account can be stressful, but there is always a way to find it and get it back. And if you found this video useful and informative, which it is actually, then hit the like button, comment down your thoughts, and what else? Just subscribe to our channel for more such content, and I'll meet you in the next one.